Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can start a meeting in Skype. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the Skype from the Play Store. So I have already installed it. So what we need to do, we have to open it. So I'm going to open this. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see, simply what we need to do, we have to click on this icon. So as you can see, as an icon, so let's click on this. After clicking on this, you will get a lot of options here like meet new chat group and new call and new moderated chat. So as you can see, these all our options are here. If you want to use them, you can also use that. You can also use that. So what we need to do, we have to click on the first option, which is called meet now. So let's click on the meet now. And after clicking on this, we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. Now we have to write the meeting name, that what will be the meeting name. For example, I'm going to write the meeting name here, gathering. Now it's done. So let's click on this, and now simply what we have to do, if you want to share the link, simply you have to share this link. And simply if you want to share the link, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this, and now you can share it anywhere where you want. So after that, and here's an option for the add context. If you want to directly add someone, you can also do that. Here from here you have to select that context. So I'm going to back again, and now simply we have to click on the start now, and after clicking on the start now, your meeting will be started. So I'm going to simply end it because I have not added someone. So as you can see, now it's ended. So in this way you can start a meeting on Skype. So see you guys in the next video.